Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is part 2. I brought in another Rubik's Cube I was just basically going to use for color that I will show off in the next video. If you take your Smart Fill tool and get your eyedropper and let's get that color right there, you can duplicate those colors of that Rubik's Cube. You could use standard color. But here's the box I've drawn that I think looks a little better than the previous ways I've drawn it. But this cube looks so good, I thought, why don't we just use it as a template? So I'm going to put it like right there on the corner and get it really pretty close. Now these lines are still broken apart, but I'm just going to, some of them are going to fall apart, but I can move them around. The ones that have 3 nodes, I can't join them. But if you'll see, after we're done, I should have left a copy of the original. And I didn't take a lot of time. Then grab our clip art, move it out of the way. That's even a better cube yet. So stay tuned for how we're going to add some color and some embellishment, do this part. And anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.